In this video, we'll cover how to set up the Canon PIXMA MG2920 on a wireless network using a USB cable on a Mac computer. Let's get started. Before connecting your printer to the network, confirm that your wireless router is available and properly set up. Also, confirm that your computer is connected to the network. Download the installation files from the Canon website by visiting canon.com/ijsetup. Click on these links to download the software for the MG2920 printer. Open the downloaded file on your computer to get started. Review the information on the opening screen and click Next. When prompted, enter the administrator name and password you used to set up your Mac and then click Install Helper. Click Next. Select Wireless LAN Connection as your connection method, then click Next. Select Access Point Connection, then click Next. Click Next to confirm that your printer is turned on. The software will search for printers already connected to the network. If this is your first time installing the printer, the list should be blank. Place a check in the box for setting printer could not be found on the list and then click Next. The setup guide will now be installed. Click Open to proceed. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Click Wireless Setup using the USB cable. Select your place of residence and click Next. A list of applications will appear. To use the scan feature on your printer, please select IJ Scan Utility 2. If you would like to take advantage of all the applications available, simply click Select All. Additional screens will appear. Just continue forward by selecting Next. The license agreement screen will be displayed. Click Yes to continue with the installation. The software will now be installed. This may take several minutes. When this screen appears, place a check in the Set up the network connection via USB box and click Next. When prompted, connect the USB cable from your printer to your computer. The software will begin to detect the printer, which may take several minutes. Once the printer is detected, this window will close automatically and move to the next step. If only one wireless network or access point is available, the following screen will appear. Verify the printer is connecting to your network, which is referred to as the access point on the install screens, and then click Yes. If multiple wireless networks or access points are available, this screen will appear showing a list of access points. Select the access point you wish to use. Enter the network's password and click Connect. When this screen appears, disconnect the USB cable from the printer, then click Next. When the Setup Completion dialog box appears, click OK. When the Add Printer box appears, click Add Printer. Highlight your printer from the list. Be sure to select the printers listed with the Canon IJ network in the Kind column, then click Add. Click Next. Now the printhead alignment screen is displayed. Press the Execute button on the screen to start the printhead alignment and follow any on-screen instructions. When the printhead alignment has completed, click Next. Wireless setup of the printer is complete. Click Next. At this time, you will be prompted to register your product. If you choose to register at this time, a new window will open. After registration is complete, you can continue with the installation. An extended survey program screen will appear. This optional program is used for the development and marketing of Canon products so they will better meet our customers' needs. If you agree to participate in the extended survey program, click Agree. If you click Do Not Agree, the extended survey program will not be installed. Now, the test print window is displayed. If you would like to make a test print, load plain paper into the printer and click Execute. After test printing, click Next. You can also skip test printing by simply clicking Next. Once you see this screen, click Exit to complete the installation. Congratulations! This completes the setup of the Canon PIXMA MG2920 to a wireless network using a USB cable on a Mac computer. Now you are ready to print or scan. Thank you for watching.